I could already hear you throwing up over there. There's only one trash can.
Hey, welcome back to Blindfolded Bites. So thanks for tuning in last week where we saw Zach eat a horrific 1,000-year egg.
I'm giving you a sign that hopefully they can't see.
Looks like the bird. So thanks for tuning in. If you saw it, it was an awful episode.
Ugh.
This is going to be our last Spooktober episode. Halloween is going to be on this Thursday, so just a couple days away. I want to send you off with a bang, and we're going to treat Zach to some cursed cocktails. All right? So we got a plethora of cocktail ideas. We got martinis, we got Bloody Marys, we got all kinds of stuff. And of course, like always, we're going to have our secret mystery ingredient. Got a good one for you, Zach.
So excited.
Martini. Oh. Hey. And, have you blindfold up. Assume the position! For those of you that are tuning in for the first time ever on this show, Zach is blindfolded. We go ahead and we selected the type of food or drink that he's going to consume. He has no idea what the contents are going to be. And at the end, after he picks these options, we put them together and see what you got. Let's get it. All right, so left hand or right hand?
I'm going to go my right hand.
Right hand.
Left hand.
All right, left hand or right hand?
Right hand. I don't like that.
It's probably fine. Probably fine.
I meant my right hand. I meant my right hand for sure.
Left hand or right hand?
My right hand.
Oh, no. Oh boy. Delicious. This could be really good. I mean, look at that, and that, and that, and that. I mean, it could be really good. Okay, so then Zach, do we want to do shaken or do we want to do stirred?
Go stirred. Or no, shaken.
We're gonna go shaken? All right, we're gonna go shaken.
Durian, a Southeast Asian fruit with a thorny rind and custard-like flesh, has a strong odor that has been described as rotten onions, raw sewage, vomit-flavored custard, and a rotten corpse.
I already feel like I have to poop.
Don't say that. All right, so so you said you wanted a shaken cocktail. All right, so what we'll do, we'll go ahead and grab our mixer here. We'll hit this with just a little bit of ice. And then we're gonna grab my jigger.
What did you say?
Say what? My jigger.
I don't think he can say that. Or this.
So do you want one shot or two?
I hope to.
You hope to?
Maybe it'll taste good. I don't know.
All right. It might. We don't know yet. Oh, wait.
Hold on. Something splashed. It hit my elbow. If I hear chunks coming out of that, I might be upset.
No, it'd be all right. You ever watch the movie Groundhog's Day?
I love the movie Groundhog's Day.
So what's that drink that she orders? It's a sweet vermouth on the rocks with a twist.
That's my favorite drink.
Well,
mine too.
Maybe for those at home, let us know what that drink is called. Sweet vermouth on the rocks with a twist.
Is this sweet vermouth?
No, it's not, but it's something that's close.
I do really love that sound.
Now, parental caution advised. Be careful.
I mean, should children really be watching the, cocktail episode? Are you peeling something?
You can say that. Ow! This genuinely is dangerous. Definitely. What am I supposed to do with this thing?
So, did you pull out a saw?
I'm about to get one. Ow! Holy shit!
Blindfold. Are you bleeding?
No.
Did you poke yourself with the knife? I feel like this is payback. I don't know.
Oh.
You poked yourself with the knife, didn't you? Oh, God. What smells like ass? Oh God!
Oh my God.
What is that?
That's your garnish.
Oh, you're already a dickhead. Oh,
I didn't think it was gonna smell that bad, but it.
I'm just gonna breathe through my mouth. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna breathe through my mouth. Yeah. Oh God. Oh God.
All right. Well, it smells pretty good, Zach. All right, we can do this. I can do this.
Did you get a leftover head from Jeffrey Dahmer's fridge?
Oh, dude, what in the? Oh,
You're the one that got it.
dude, that smells so bad.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm holding my nose. Jesus. There's only one blow-up trash can.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour this drink. Cause this is really yummy stuff, guys. Mmm.
You're trying this too. I don't care what it tastes.
Smells so bad.
You're making me drink baby shit.
All right, we want a pretty garnish, huh? Pretty garnish. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. Yummy. That's delicious.
I'm so mad at you right now. This is terrible. And I haven't even come close to tasting it.
All right. So remember, we gotta rank this on a scale of 1 to 10. Okay.
0.
All right.
Where's the puke bucket again?
I'll hand it to you if you need it. Remember, sound mind, sound stomachs. All right. It's just a delicious martini.
Who are you? Confusion?
It is a
cousin of Confucius?
No, you're just confused. So it's actually a delicious, tasty treat. So go ahead, give it a little sample, see what we got.
Touch. All right, you can have some now. Was there a worm on that? Like a graboid from Tremors?
Jesus Christ! Smell like that because it's dead?
No. Farts. You picked it up, you bastard. Defending myself from you. If I walked into a bar... No. You... This is why I wore this bib! This is why!
Is it bad that it burns my skin? Do you want to try the garnish?
Oh shit, that's the part that...
I've heard good things. I've heard you just
Are you gonna try the garnish with me?
It depends on your reaction.
No. With does not mean after. With means at the same time.
With means at the same time?
Yes.
Tell you what, pinky promise, we'll do it at the same time. Here's your fork. Hold on. There you go. There you go. Oh, it's so gooey.
Reminds me of hot August farts.
Don't smell it. I recommend don't smell it. Just 3, 2, 1. First time ever on the channel.
3, 2, 1.
It's so mushy.
What the hell is this? Did this expire?
No.
Can I take off my blindfold now?
Yeah.
What in the hell is that?
That is a durian.
Who's Durian?
Hey, it looks like you had already been visiting this thing.
All right, so back to the martini. Away from that part.
All right. Did you guess what was in it?
I still think there was pickle juice in there.
You said olives 3 times. It was
I swear I said pickle juice.
no Famous Dave's pickle chips, sweet and spicy pickle chips.
Delicious.
I'm sorry, I lied to you.
Of course you did.
I had some Malort.
I knew it was bitter.
It was some Malort.
No.
And then some extra dry vermouth.
I don't feel bad about you throwing up at all. Make you feel better.
I don't want it.
It's the healing juice.
That's actually not bad. That's actually pretty good.
It's like an extra dry.
Okay, now there's the bitter.
Yeah.
It's like really sweet up front.
Like,
And then like really sweet and nice. Like, oh yeah, that's pretty good. And then like you get the fucking this. This is like drinking nail polish. Like that's like drinking metal shavings.
it doesn't hit as hard as that milkshake did. This one is a lot easier to withstand the bitterness than that milkshake was.
Well, anyways, thanks for tuning into this week's episode. Thanks to our partners over at Game Days Health. Really appreciate you guys being part of the team. Thank you for letting me put you through that diabolical Halloween treat today. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode, guys. If you want anything that you want to see on future episodes, do me a favor. Please comment down below on what you want me to put Zach through.
Comment, subscribe. Let all of your friends see me suffer through this crap.
Also, remember, if we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'll eat that diabolical, rotten, dirty bastard
I'm so
egg.
excited.
So 10,000 subs will make that happen. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Peace.
This is like this is a male 4 inches, right?
I think, no.
This is a female 4 inches.
I think it's the other way around. Little pee-pee. Little pee-pee. All right.